Affiliate marketing has never been this easier. In just 10 minutes, you can create your own website and start earning today through affiliate marketing. This is an easy way to own a website and have your own online business run from home that guarantees you true passive income, which you will continue to earn for many years to come. The website builder I'm about to introduce you to in this video is still new, and I've never mentioned it on this channel. You don't need any coding skills to get started, and the entire process is absolutely free, so be sure to follow through till the end to get all the steps. Hey guys, welcome to Money Machine. Here we will be guiding you with an exact step-by-step process on how you could start making money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification, as you don't want to miss on new ways to making money online. And if you want to know how I make money online, then check out the first link in the description box to get started. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. One thing that you need before even settling down to get a website that can earn you money is to establish an affiliate offer you plan to promote. Once you have an idea of what you want to promote, this will guide the entire process. Now, this affiliate offer can be anything like, say, an Amazon product or just your own product or service, which you want to get it out to the world. However, I prefer to promote digital products since digital products don't require inventory, and it does not limit you in terms of the quantity you can sell and the revenue you can make. In fact, the longer a business or individual continues to use your affiliate product, the more you continue to make passive income. The secret is to search for a service or product that users will keep subscribing to monthly to give you a constant flow of income. The next step is to search for a list of the affiliate offers you plan to promote. This can easily be done by searching for your choice. In our case, I only need to search the best social media management tool, and from the results, you can pick some good social media management tools you can go with. Let me choose this option that says 8 best social media management software. Now scroll down and you can see several social media management tools you can promote, but I want to go with Sendable.com. So click on Sendable and scroll down the homepage. Under the Sendable menu, click on Affiliates to see what is on offer for their affiliate program. A new page opens and you can see they offer a 12% commission to affiliates for every customer they refer. Now, to just get a glimpse of how much you can earn passively from each client you refer, you can go back to the Sendable homepage and scroll down to click and view available plans. Here you can see the tool offers a 14-day free trial and then bills $29 per month. That means that for each customer who uses your referral link to join Sendable, you earn about $3.5 per month. I know that looks quite small, but with our own website that we shall create later, you'll realize you can have over 100 people signing up with your affiliate link. That is a cool $350 per month, absolutely passive. Now, Sendable here is just used as an example. You can choose from the list and get as many social media management tools as possible and promote them on the website we are about to create. If you like the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on new ways of making money online. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know if this method has helped you earn money in any way. Let's get back to the video. Next on, let's look at building the website. Now that you have affiliate links ready that you need to promote, the next step is to get a good platform you can use to promote the links and get people clicking on those affiliate links to help you start earning passively. So go over to Zyro.com to start the process. Ideally, Zyro.com is one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly website builders in the market. This site offers a free domain, and you can get other services like hosting and free customizable templates, which you can use to lay out your website. But the most impressive thing is that they have an inbuilt AI tool that can help you build a website in a few minutes by just clicking. Once you open the Zyro.com homepage, the only thing you need is to sign up for an account and start the process. You can opt for their free plan before you can choose to go for the paid plans. Once you sign up, you'll be redirected to this page where you can get started with the website building process. There are 3 options you can choose from, but I want you to choose the one that says AI Website Generator. When you click on AI Generator, respond with yes to the question that asks whether you seek to run ads on your website. On the next page, you can see several questions seeking to understand the type of website you're building. Here you need to carefully respond to the questions so that you get good results of your website. So you want to choose a blog post type of website, since many people looking for tools and software go to blogs. At the same time, you can add links to the blog post to increase your chances of earning more passive income. A new window opens to allow you to choose a theme for your website. The next step is to decide the features you want to have on your website, and probably contact form is the best you need here. Leave the rest alone. The contact form is important because it helps you to generate an email list for your marketing purposes. Click Continue to move to the next step. Here you're asked to add some pages like portfolio, about, and fact. You may choose to add pages at your own wish, but I want to make this simple for you, so I'll leave them out. Go ahead and allow the AI to finalize the website creation process. If you like the video so far, then make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on new ways of making money online. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know if this method has helped you earn money in any way. let's get back to the video. Now, this is what our website looks like. You can go ahead and customize everything to make it suitable to your needs. You only have to choose the design that appeals to you. After choosing a design, a pop-up menu can now be seen at the right corner of your website, which can help you to set up and edit pages. Once you are through with customizing the website, it's time to go live. Simply click the Publish button on the top left corner of your screen. Now, as you can see, the process is quite simple, and you can easily do this in just 10 minutes. There are so many stories on Google that you write about that are related to software, so just be open to finding any article that has software that you can sell and publish that on your website. Remember to include affiliate links to earn. The last step is simply to grab your website link and start promoting it to drive traffic. And the best way to drive traffic to your website is by YouTube automation. You can decide to create a YouTube channel and be doing related stories you publish on your website. Then include a link to your website in the video description to drive traffic. So there you have it, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content. And if you guys want to know how I make money online, then check out the first link in the description box to get started.